Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're making homemade chicken stock using leftover bones. This wonderful, light and flavorful chicken stock is perfect for gravies, soup, braising, and sauces. Today I am using about 2 pounds of bones that are left over from roasted chicken. Bones from a roast turkey will also work. And as you can see, the bones have been picked clean of as much meat and fat as possible. And we're simply going to add the bones to a stock pot, along with a mirepoix of vegetables. For chicken or turkey stock, you want to use onions, carrots, and celery. And you want your vegetables to be fairly chunky, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Next, we'll add cold water. And the importance of cold water here is that some proteins are only soluble in cold water. It gives all the proteins a chance to be dissolved. And you want enough cold water to cover the bones. We also need a few stalks of parsley, thyme sprigs, a bay leaf, and a few black peppercorns. And we'll get this on the stove simmering. Simmer gently on low without stirring. Boiling tends to break up the solids into tiny particles, which can cause cloudiness in the stock. If you have any foam that comes to the surface, be sure to skim it off. Skimming is an important step as it removes any coagulated proteins and fat. And now that our stock is done simmering, we're going to gently scoop out the bones and the vegetables the best that we can. And by scooping out the large chunks, just makes the final straining a little bit easier. And for the straining of the stock, you should use a fine mesh strainer lined with several layers of cheesecloth. And from here, you can chill your stock and then skim off any fat, or pour straight away into sealable containers or jars. The stock will last for 3 days in the fridge or several months in the freezer. Today's chicken stock is a great way to use up leftover bones from roast chicken or turkey. It only takes a few simple ingredients and a little bit of your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.